For these demonstrations, let's use the SharePoint site called Coffee with Kathy. So I'm just going to give this a click. So I'm going to go to my Documents option at the top here to enter my document library. Using the New button, I can create all sorts of new content inside of the SharePoint site. I can create a folder and I can create a variety of types of documents, like a Word document, Excel file, or PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to start by creating a folder. Then I give the folder a name. And if I want to, I can choose a colour. And I simply click the Create button. Now within that folder, I might click on Accounts to go inside that folder. I can easily go back to Documents by clicking this option, but I can go into Accounts by clicking the Accounts folder. I can start by creating a new spreadsheet. So I'll click my New button again, and I'll choose an Excel workbook. A new file called Book appears at the top here in its own tab, and I'm now working with the online version of Excel, and I can simply type in the cell. The name of the file at the moment is called Book. I can see that here and I can see that up here. I'm going to click on the word Book here and I'm able to rename the file and simply press Enter. The name of the file now appears here and it's saved. The good thing about using the online version of these applications within SharePoint is that saving occurs real time. If I want to close this file, I simply click the X in the top corner here. I'm returned to my SharePoint site and I can see in my folder called Accounts, I now have a spreadsheet inside this folder. If I want to open the spreadsheet, I simply click it, and if I want to close the spreadsheet, I simply click the X. You can then use the New button to continue to make a new Word document, a new PowerPoint presentation, a OneNote, one notebook, a Visio drawing, and so on and so forth. What you see in this list may vary, but these are the types of content you can create in a SharePoint site. Templates in SharePoint are documents that are set up almost to a certain point to allow you to just fill them in and save a lot of time. If you have some Word or Excel or even PowerPoint templates, you can add these to the New button simply by clicking the Add Template option. You would then navigate to where the template resided, you would click it and click Open. The template is uploaded, and should you ever need to create a document based on that template, simply click the New button. And here you see the template. There's also a template here for a cover letter. So if you have any standard templates that you would like to add to a particular SharePoint site, simply add the template to the New menu by hitting this option here.